Hi, myself Sudhakar. I came from Peoplelink Unified Communications, and there I am working as a head for the marketing department. Today we visited this ExcelR for campus placement drive. So we are happy that we came here to ExcelR, and whoever we interviewed today, we are very much happy because they have very good knowledge, not only theory, and we can see they have like a good practical knowledge also. They're providing very good strong foundation for the candidates. So we are planning to hire more people from ExcelR.
Hi, myself Mohammad Khalib, and I'm from Peoplelink. I'm a digital marketer of the Peoplelink. We came for the ExcelR to take an interviews of the SEO and other digital marketing interviews process. So about the ExcelR candidates, the profiles we got shortlisted. If they have a good knowledge on the digital marketing. So apart from digital marketing, they have on marketing other activities like customer support wise or any other So here we got good candidates. So more SEO part or the social media marketing or the PPC. So the interview process was good, and we actually got a good candidates here. So we have taken more and more candidates from the ExcelR.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Mohammad Siddiq, and I've done my digital marketing course from ExcelR Solutions, the best learning platform for digital marketing. It's ExcelR Solutions. What specialized solutions what I have studied in ExcelR is SMM, social media optimization, social media marketing, SEO, search engine optimization, and etc. The service and the learning platform and the tutors was excellent, and they have provided me a best internship platform with Peoplelink. It was very pleased to have that opportunity to me to explore my skills and execute my knowledge on that platform. Thank you so much.
Hello, myself Sucharita. Recently I have done my digital marketing in ExcelR, and since digital marketing is the most trending and evolving platform in the market, you can often career here in this field. So in ExcelR they will provide you intense training and in digital marketing, and the trainer are very well trained and they have good hand-on experience in digital marketing. So they will provide you each and every details and train you perfectly in the field of digital marketing, and after the completion of course they will provide you to work in real field in projects, so to elevate your knowledge and skills in digital marketing. After completion of course also, ExcelR has provided placement assistance for me. Today I have come here to attend a placement interview conducted by ExcelR in Peoplelink company. So my experience in that job interview is very good. The HR are very good and friendly. They have explained you very well in which field and how the digital marketing works in their company. So till now I have a very good experience in ExcelR, and I definitely will recommend you to join the course for your future. Thank you.
Hello guys, myself Nikhil Reddy. I'm currently graduated with Masters in Management with Sales and Marketing. I'm currently done with my interview, and I've done my digital marketing course with ExcelR. I found the course online in Google in top ranking in search, and based on the curriculum and everything, and the professors and everyone are quite excellent in the ExcelR faculty team. And my professor was Mr. Uday, and Uday was a Google certified and Google trained professor. He teaches me digital marketing, and during the classes he was an excellent professor. He used to clarify every doubts, and if I had any doubts post the class period, he used to personally take care into this and clarify the doubts today I'm here with Peoplelink people interviewing for them, and my interview went well good, hoping for the good. Thank you, ExcelR.
Hi, myself Rohan. I have completed my degree, and after completing my degree I decided to do digital marketing, and through internet I have got this ExcelR solutions which has number of ratings, so I decided to join. So after completing I even did projects, live projects. They helped me in each and everything. After doing that they even placed me in interviews, and today I attended Peoplelink company. Thank you, ExcelR.